yes, it was a topsy-turvy ride this week with a lot of cues right from earnings, RBI policy decision, the US inflation data, just to name a few. But the week belonged to the bears as the Nifty goes home with a cut of around 1%. For the day today, Nifty was down about 250 points, ending the day around that 17,400 mark. In fact, the Nifty Bank was the underperformer today. That index ended around 500 points lower, around the mark of 38,500. For the week itself, that index is down about 1.5%. In fact, remember last week we had seen a big up move on Nifty Bank to the tune of around 2.5%. So there was a tad bit of reversal here. The Nifty Bank has also ended the two-week gaining streak and ended with a cut of around 0.5% for the week. Nifty IT was a clear pain point today itself in trade. We saw that index slide quite a bit, and for the week that is going home with a cut of around 2.5%. Today the Midcap IT was a bit of a pressure area because names like Mindtree, KPIT Tech, Persistent Systems, L&T Tech, L&T Infosys, pick up any of them, they were down anywhere between 3 to 5%. Pharma was the only outperformer, if I can call it that, because the Nifty Pharma goes home this week with a cut of just 0.5%. And today, names like Wockhardt, Granules, Loris Lab, Gland Pharma, Shilpa Medicare were actually trading towards the higher end. It was the second consecutive week of gain for the Nifty Metals pack. That one gained over 10% this week, led by names like Tata Steel as well as Coal India. In terms of the newsmakers, N Chandra has been reappointed as the chairman of Tata Group, so those stocks were in focus. India Cement reported a weak set of numbers. That one goes with a bit of cut. Zomato, where the losses have widened, and that's the reason that stock came under pressure. And there were some large trades on the likes of Adani Wilmar and Policy Bazaar, so those stocks were also in focus. But all eyes will be on earnings, which will come in the coming week.